Hi, this is Wil Ray, team leader of the Gathering Team, where together we find home. One of the biggest complaints that we received from clients who formerly worked with other agents who were unable to sell their homes was the lack of communication. Communication is a very crucial part in the home purchasing and the home selling process. Without good communication, it's hard for us to relay to you exactly how the process is going and whether or not any adjustments need to be made to ensure that we get the home sold for top dollar. It's also very frustrating as you're sitting and waiting without really knowing how well or how bad things are going. It's important to make sure that you are part of the process and that you know exactly what's going on, good, bad, or anything in between. We here at the Gathering Team value communication, so much so that we guarantee to communicate with you at least once a week via whatever form you prefer, whether that be text, phone call, in person, and or email. And if we fail to do that, and if we fail to communicate with you within that week, we'll send you a check for $250 for every time we fail to do that. We like to put our money where our mouth is. When we say we'll stay in touch, we will stay in touch. We're not the agent who's going to post a sign up in your yard and then walk away never to be heard from again. We are in this together. We have skin in the game to ensure that we get your home sold for top dollar. And we've personally learned how important communication can be. One of the homes that we've sold that was a very difficult home to sell, two other agents had had this home previously for a total of 8 months on market. They got 4 showings between the two of the different agents. It was the most expensive house in the neighborhood. The neighbor 2 doors down actually was listed for $130,000 less than this specific home. It was a tough sell. We were able to get it on market. Within the first 2 days on market, we had about 10 different showings. One of the showings was a little bit unique. As we always do, as soon as the showing's over, we give them a call just to check in, see what objections they may have, and to provide any sort of creative solutions to any problems that they had with the property. Well, in this situation, they actually didn't go in for their showing. There was a 10-foot long snake in the pool, and they didn't feel comfortable going around back to go inside the home. So we problem solved. We allowed them to go out to lunch on our dime. When they got back from lunch, we promised them that we'd make sure the snake was no longer in the pool and that they can enjoy their showing snake-free. Luckily, by the time we got there, the snake was already gone, because otherwise we had no real good plan to get the snake out of the pool. But that specific couple that came back for that showing was the one that offered us a full price offer within 2 days on market for a home that had been on the market 8 months prior with 2 other agents. Had we not got them back inside that house, I don't know how long it would have taken us to get that home sold. But because we didn't miss the opportunity, because we did seek that feedback, and because we did communicate, we were able to get our client the best offer available by working hard and communicating. And we promise you, we're going to communicate with not just you, but any and every agent that shows our property, and to ensure that we're giving you good quality feedback. So if there is something for us to improve, or if there is a recurring theme, to come up with a creative solution so that we can drive the narrative to ensure we're getting ahead of it and we're getting you the best amount possible on your home. If you'd like to learn more about us, or if you'd like to set up a time to meet, our contact number is 864-720-4233. We look forward to working with you soon.